In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Wise, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to transfer money from PayPal to Wise, first open your PayPal account and log in. Next, go to Pay and Get Paid, then select Money under the Wallet section. Scroll down and tap Link a Bank Account. Now open your Wise app or Wise account in another tab. Select the account you want to receive money in, then tap Receive and open Account Details. Here you will see your bank details, such as the sort code and account number or local bank details depending on your region. Go back to PayPal and enter these Wise bank details, then tap Agree and link to add the Wise account. After linking, PayPal will send a small deposit with a verification code to your Wise account. Once you receive the code, return to PayPal, go to Wallet, select the Wise bank account, and enter the code to confirm it. After the account is confirmed, tap Transfer Money, enter the amount you want to send, select your Wise account, and tap Transfer. The money will then be transferred from PayPal to your Wise account. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.